Okay, so Mark's been improving with his pincher grip. Okay, show me, Mark. It's very, very good. The sock has been working well with him all week, though when I do turn my head, sometimes it goes back to the old way. So another 2 ways, which is really good for older pupils, like if they're in second class of that and you're trying to remove them maybe from bad habits, you know, take the get them used to using the 2 fingers, is to use a coin that they can hold in the palm of their hand here, or to use pom-poms. Now I've had no pom-poms at the house, so I've had to make these ones just out of wool, and that was from a bubble for the hair. Just took off that, but something like that, you get the idea. Now Mark, do you want to show us there? Hold the pom-pom in your hand. So good, it's just the 3 fingers, then wrap around it, so they've no choice but to use the pincher grip fingers. And show us a nice neat 2 now, Mark. Good boy, take your time. Very good. And if you see my first video, this is a big improvement from earlier on in the week. Now Mark, let's try a coin now as well, the same way. The coin can go into the hand. That's the pom-pom thrown away. He likes the coin the best because he's going to keep it, aren't you, Mark? Yes, that begins. Oh, good lad. And he wraps the 3 fingers around it, and again, no choice but to use these fingers. So great for older children. I would have used it with kids in second class with good success.